Hello guys, in this video we will see how to install MySQL Workbench on Ubuntu 22.04. Then connect MySQL server. Okay, I have already installed MySQL server on Ubuntu 22.04. If you want, you can search for my YouTube channel how to install. Open new web browser, then go to MySQL official website, that is mysql.com. Then click on downloads, then scroll down, click on MySQL community downloads. See here we have the MySQL Workbench. Select it. Then select the operating system Ubuntu Linux, then select the OS version. I am on Ubuntu 22.04. If you are on 24.04, you have to select it, but the process is same on either of them. Then click on select it, then you have to download this Debian package. So click on download, then click on no thanks, just start my download. See, download started and its size is 25.5 megabytes. Wait until download completes. Once download completes, then we will install this Debian package. See, download is completed. Open terminal, go to downloads, ls we have to install this package. So install it, sudo dpkg-i, then mysql, then use the tab to autofill, enter Debian package name, hit enter. See, it is failed because this dependency is not installed. So install it, copy it, sudo apt install, paste that package name or library name, hit enter. So first we have to install this one, copy it, paste it, sudo, hit enter. See, now it is installing those dependencies. Okay, so type and hit enter. See, we have successfully installed. Ctrl L, now install MySQL Workbench, hit enter. This time we will not receive errors. See, we have successfully installed. Okay, now go to show applications, go to next page. See, here we have the MySQL Workbench. Click on it to open. Just click on this plus button, then provide the name MySQL con, name can be anything, then provide the host name 127.0.1 because MySQL is installed on this one, the port number 3306, username root, then click on password, then click on store in keychain, then provide the password of the root account that you have given. Then click on OK, then click on test connection. See, successfully made the MySQL connection. Click on OK, then click on OK, then click on the connection name. See, we have successfully connected to MySQL server from the MySQL Workbench. See, here we have the administration. If you click on this one, we have the databases. In administration, we have the users, privileges and other information, logs, etc. Okay, if you go to next, that is schemas. See, here we have the database bank. If you want to run queries against, then provide the name of the database bank, then put semicolon, then run the query. Select star from customer, then select these commands and click on execute. See, you got the output. Okay, now go to ls, remove this file because we have successfully installed. Okay, so in this video we have seen how to install MySQL Workbench on Ubuntu 22.04. Then we have connected MySQL from the MySQL Workbench. Okay, for more tutorials please subscribe my channel. Thank you.